Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I have a website for you that you can use to have fun webcam effect directly in your browser. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here I have to search for webcamtoy.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply write it and hit enter and wait for the website to get load. And here you can see it says ready smile. Just simply hit this and it may ask you for the permissions. Once you give it all them, you can see currently it's black because my webcam have been hidden. And now here I can apply multiple effects, and they all are very interesting and they all are very fascinating. You can even change the settings of your camera, and you can click the images and share anywhere you want. Yeah, it's a very fascinating thing. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.